Hi besties and brusties, and welcome to day 22 of 30 in making your handmade product line. Sorry about the photo bomb. So today we're going to how to create a graphic in Photoshop that you can use for marketing or on your website. Okay, let's go. So just so you know, I'm using Photoshop Elements, so if you are getting something, I recommend Photoshop Elements if you are considering buying Architect, the leading handmade website course. Okay, so first work out which image you're making, and that'll let you know what dimensions you should use. Okay, bear with me a moment. Okay, so what I've done first is size my image for a slider. So that's 1600 by 755 from my website with a resolution of 72. Resolution should always be 72 for web. Okay, so see here I'm using an old slider to make the new sliders just quicker. So I've already got background color here, and if you could click here on the layers, you're going to see all of the different layers that have different images in Photoshop, so these can all be moved independently. So if I bring these back up and you click here on this arrow tool, you can move these both about independently because they're both in different layers. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just fetch the images I want to use on this slider. To do that, just go to Open. Okay, and then you can browse for your images. Okay, so just while these images are loading, what I'm making is a coming soon banner piece, or slider rather, for when I do launch the next collection. This will be the following collection. Okay, so this will be the coming soon sneak peek that's on my website. Okay, so if we hit photo bin here in the bottom left, it's going to show you all the photos. Okay, and what I'm going to do is take some snippets of these. Okay, and this is coming soon, so these are not the actual images I'm going to use. These are just other shots that I took. So you can do that, or you can do blurred images, really focused in images. Okay, so I'm going to go to image and crop. Okay, and here I'm going to hit a selection to crop. Okay, so to add images to add the images, just double click on the images and Control A and Control C and Control V, or paste here. So to resize these images, go up to Image, Transform, 3 Transform. And from here, I'm just going to resize the last one of these. So Control D to deselect the previous one. So now we're happy safe to go on to the next one. Okay, and once I have that lined up, oops, Control Z will undo. And now the images have been resized in place, I'm going to make everything visible and then change the previous text here. Okay, and that's in our chosen font, and we'll just decide if we're happy with the color and position. And that's everything. So now we are going to save it twice, once as a picture file like a JPEG, and then once as a PNG, so we can still edit it, or PSD, so that's the editable form like that with layers in Photoshop, so it's not flat. Okay, so now that's saved, you can add it to a header, a website, or whatever you were doing it for. Okay, thanks besties. Okay besties, thanks for following along. Don't forget you can find the Sellout Handmade product line formula down below. The link to that is www.joreilly.com/formula. I'll see you tomorrow besties.